today let's start with chapter number 11, measurement. So in this chapter we will study about measurement. So in our daily life we need to measure various things. We need to know how much quantities of things should be used. So how much things should be brought from market or sold in the market. We need to measure milk, vegetables, fruits, flours, spices, oil, petrol, CNG, clothes before buying and selling them. So the process of finding out the exact quantity or size of something उसको हम measurement कहते हैं. First is measurement of length. In ancient time, people use different types parts of their body for measurement. जैसे हम hands pump, cubic, foot spin, ठीक है, hands देखा ना 1 मीटर 2 मीटर ऐसा यूज करते हैं. Then cubit and foot spin. These fingers, hand spin, cubit, foot spin, they are non-standard units of measurement. देखो सबके fingers हो गए, hands हो गए अलग अलग size के होते हैं. तो it was not a standard. So the standard unit of length is meter, which is used to measure longer length. Centimeter, which is used for shorter unit, shorter length. Kilometer for measure distances. Right? So we can say that tools for measuring. Like we have measuring tape, ruler and meter. These are the following things that we use for measure length. What is measuring of? Next is measurement of weight. We have beam balance, bench top balance and result balance. So the standard unit of measuring weight are grams and kilogram. Lighter weights are measured in gram और heavier जो होते हैं वो किलोग्राम में. 1 kilogram is equals to 1000 gram. Different types of weighing balance are used in different shopkeepers. Now measurement of time. So time can be defined as the period between two events or activities. People use sundial, horse glass to find the time, but they are not useful during the rainy or cloudy days. So different types of watches, alarm clocks, wall clocks, digital clocks और clocks which are used to see time. Shorter period को हम seconds और minutes में करते हैं और longer period को hour में करते हैं, right? 60 second is equals to 1 minute, 60 minute is equals to 1 hour. 1 डे में 24 आवर्स होते हैं, 1 मंथ में 30 to 31 डेज होते हैं. ये डिफर करता है, राइट? नाउ मेजरमेंट ऑफ कैपेसिटी हम लीटर मिलीलीटर में हम नापते हैं. सो अमाउंट ऑफ लिक्विड दैट कंटेनर होल्ड्स उसको हम कैपेसिटी कहते हैं, राइट? साइक वी हैव मिलीलीटर, लीटर. मिलीलीटर आर यूज्ड फॉर स्मॉल अमाउंट ऑफ लिक्विड. जो लीटर्स होता है वो लार्ज के लिए होता है, ठीक है. इंस्ट्रूमेंट जिनका हम यूज करते हैं मेजरिंग, सिलेंडर हो गया आपका मेजरिंग, and this is measuring flask. We have rain balls, which is a special container with marking used to measure the rainfall at a place. Now measurement of temperature. Temperature हम thermometer से नापते हैं. तो temperature it is a degree of hotness of the object. A hot object have high temperature while cold object have low temperature. तो हम किसका यूज करते हैं? हम थर्मामीटर का यूज करते हैं टेम्परेचर ऑफ द बॉडी को नापने के लिए. 2 degrees are used to measure the temperature, centigrade and Fahrenheit. Right? Nowadays, we can say many electronic devices are and electric gadgets like heaters, geyser, microwave, oven, thermometer. They are fitted in them so that we can see and adjust the temperature. Normal human body का temperature क्या होता है? 37 degree Fahrenheit, 37 degree Celsius, 98.8 Fahrenheit. When the body temperature rise above, then the person is said to be have fever. The temperature जो है वो begin करता है और वो boil करता है 100 degree Celsius पे और freeze करता है 0 degree Celsius पे. Right? Hope you understood the different measuring units. Now we have completed this chapter. Let's start with the exercise. It is used to measure the length of your eraser. Take the correct centimeter. It is used to measure the length of clothes. Meter road. सेंटीग्रेड इज अ डिग्री विच इज यूज टू मेजर. देखो सेंटीग्रेड जो होता है वो एक डिग्री होती है जो क्या मेजर करता है आपका टेम्परेचर. इट इज यूज टू इट वॉज यूज इन ओल्डन टाइम्स टू मेजर टाइम. आर ग्लास. डैश इज द डिग्री ऑफ हॉटनेस एंड कोल्डनेस ऑफ एन ऑब्जेक्ट टेम्परेचर. नाउ फाइंडिंग आउट द एग्जैक्ट क्वांटिटी इट इज कॉल्ड मेजरमेंट. Hands pump and foot spin are used to measure the standard unit of length is meter. Standard unit meter है. Dash is the shorter unit of shorter length, that is centimeter. centimeter. Like dash is used to measure distance, kilometer. Now write T for true and F for false statement. Temperature is the degree of hotness. It's true. The normal human body temperature is 93.4, false, 98.4. The water boil at 100 degrees Celsius. It's true. Capacity of liquid measured is Celsius. False. Liter and milliliter. We measure temperature of human body through thermometer. It's true. Now match the following: height of child, inches; weight of apples, kilogram; fever of person, centigrade; time of watch, hour; weight of juice can, milliliter. Now answer the following question. Why do we need standard unit of measurement? To what? To measure the object properly. Which instrument is used to measure capacity? ठीक है, कैपेसिटी नापने के लिए फ्लास्क कैप आप यूज कर सकते हो. व्हाट इज टेम्परेचर? डिग्री ऑफ हॉटनेस एंड कोल्डनेस. आपको रिलेशन बताना है डिफरेंट यूनिट ऑफ टाइम. एंड व्हाट इंस्ट्रूमेंट इज यूज टू मेजर रेनफॉल? रेन गॉज. आप इसको क्या कर सकते हो? जैसे 1 hour इज इक्वल टू 60 minutes, मतलब, और 1 minute इज इक्वल टू 60 seconds. लाइक दिस आप इसको कंपेयर करके दिखा सकते हैं. Right, this is all about in this chapter. Let's meet in next class. That's all for today. Thank you.